In the mid-19th century, medical practices were riddled with uncertainty and peril. Joseph Lister, a brilliant British surgeon, sought to change this grim reality. Born into a family of prestigious scientists, Lister was destined for greatness. However, it was not until he encountered the work of French scientist Louis Pasteur that he found his calling. Pasteur had recently proposed the germ theory of disease, suggesting that microorganisms caused infections. Lister, intrigued, wondered if this could be applied to surgery. Lister's initial attempts were met with skepticism. His colleagues scoffed at his proposal to sterilize instruments and disinfect wounds. They argued that the presence of germs was necessary for the body to heal. Undeterred, Lister pressed on. He began experimenting with carbolic acid, a potent disinfectant, and applied it to his surgical tools and patients' wounds. The results were astounding. In 1865, Lister performed a difficult operation on a young boy named James Green, who had a compound fracture of the femur. The boy's wound became infected, but Lister applied carbolic acid diligently. To everyone's surprise, Green recovered without complications. Word of Lister's success spread, and soon surgeons from across the globe flocked to his hospital to learn his methods. By the end of the 19th century, antiseptic surgery had become the standard practice, saving countless lives. Lister's revolutionary approach to surgery marked a turning point in medical history. His dedication to cleanliness and disinfection transformed the field, ushering in a new era of safe and effective surgical procedures. Today, we remember Joseph Lister not just as a surgeon, but as a pioneer who dared to challenge the status quo and revolutionize the way we approach medicine. His legacy continues to inspire us, reminding us that progress often comes from questioning the accepted norms and pushing for change.